Welcome to this video in which we are going to see that how can you install the Google Meet app on your PC. So Google Meet post the pandemic is actually a very important tool that helps us to connect with people all around the world, conduct virtual meetings, seminars, etc. Nowadays it is very widely used. So Google Meet is actually getting used a lot in the form of apps in Android or the iPhones, but in the case of the Windows PC or any other PC or the web browser, what you need to do is just go to any web browser and type in the link, just copy the link, just paste the link over there, and then you would be able to join the meeting. But in browser there are many tabs and sometimes it gets confusing that on which particular tab your meet is going on. So a solution for this is to use the Google Meet app. So in this video we are going to see how do we install the Google Meet app even when it is not present in the Microsoft Store. So all you need to do is just go to the Google Meet website, that is meet.google.com, and wait for a few seconds till it opens up. Now once it has completely opened, then go to these three dots, and this will work in the Google Chrome browser. So just go into these three dots and there is an option to install Google Meet. It asks you, do you want to install the app of Google Meet? Just click on install. Now you will see that the Google Meet app is installed for you. If you expand it, so this is the Google Meet app. Okay, so let me just close it. Go to the search bar and search for Meet. So Google Meet app is now installed for me. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.